Welcome to MK World. If you're looking to master Canva and create stunning designs effortlessly, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our creative tutorials. In this video, we are going to see how to create a design like this. For this, all you need to do is press the plus icon to create new page. Click Video Landscape. Go to Elements. Type India. Press Enter. Click Video. I choose this video. Press right-click. Click Set Video as background. Go to the elements. Type letters. Click Frames. Choose Letters India. Again, go to the elements and type India. Choose the same video and drag the video to each letter separately. Double-click the letters and make adjustments, which is matches to the background. Repeat the same process to each letters. Once you've finished, press play button. You can see only one video running. Go to the elements and select square shape. Change color to black. Increase the size. Set transparency as 60. Click position, click layers, and move the black layer to down. All right, that's all. You got the final result. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching MK World. If you found this Canva tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. See you in the next video. Keep creating with Canva.